One of my goals within this course dealing with Microsoft Excel is to help you not only learn the application and learn the various features in there, but to become as efficient as possible as you work and master Microsoft Excel. Now, one of the best ways to become more efficient as you work with an application is to learn the shortcuts. Microsoft Excel has loads of keyboard shortcuts that you can use to help you become more efficient and save you time as you work inside the application. Now, attached to this lecture, I'm going to put two things. I've got a little blog that I'm going to put, or I have currently, a list of common shortcut keys. I've got one for both the Windows edition of Excel and the Mac edition of Excel. And it's all out on my blog. I'm going to put the addresses, the URLs, to the shortcut lists that are supplied to us for both Windows and Mac inside of this lecture. You can find it. The other thing is I've got PDF versions of some commonly used keyboard shortcuts within Excel. I will also attach those to this lecture as well. So look for the available resources and you can download that, or you can visit my blog. It's officenoob.com, and you can find a post on there for common shortcut keys for both the Windows edition and the Mac edition of Microsoft Excel. Now, there's all sorts of shortcut keys that you can use there. Let me just show you what the PDF looks like here. It's a simple little PDF, but it's got things that you can do, and then the shortcut key that corresponds to that task or that action. Now, we just talked about saving just a video ago, right? To save a spreadsheet, or really to save the workbook, you're going to do Control S. To be able to copy, it's Control C. To paste, it's Control V, and so on. A lot of shortcuts that you use in all the other Office applications, or just applications in general, are probably going to work here as well. If I want to make something bold, Control B. Got all sorts of shortcut keys. Some more common than others, but there's loads of them that you can use inside of this application. And this is just a small sample size, some of the more frequently used shortcut keys. So do look for that resource, download that. We will talk about several shortcut keys as we continue through this course. I don't want to supply this for you. You can download it, you can print it out, you can do whatever you like with it, memorize it, show off to your friends, whatever. All right, so grab those shortcut keys and become more efficient and save time as you work inside of the Office applications.